Good afternoon, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2012 BMW 328i. I'm going to do the outside, the inside. We'll pop the hood, look at the engine, turn it over, look at the dash, and then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear out sounds. This is an absolutely beautiful rig. I like to call it affordable luxury because this thing is all here. No major dents, dings, no major scratches. The paint is just gorgeous. The inside is just immaculate. But you're going to see, without a doubt, no major dents or dings. I'm trying to get both angles here so you can see without a doubt. Let's get down here to the tire here for you. Tire size, new tires. This is going to be on YouTube, so you can speed it up, slow it down, zoom it in. So if there's anything that strikes your interest, you can see it. Alright, let's get to some inside features here. Power windows locks, auto one-touch windows, power memory, heated seats, and like I said, the leather is just in immaculate shape. I'll get both of them here for you. And then, of course, the sunroof up there. Let's get the rear. The rear seats are heated as well. The leather's in just such good shape, and I mean, it doesn't look like anybody really sat in the back. Like I said, heated seats. Let's get a shot from the back seat here. In a few moments we'll go to the trunk and see what we got in there. But first I want to get some features and pop the hood. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls, media center. Eco Pro in the Sport. There's the media center controls there. This has the aux and the USB, and then you have the removable tray for the cups, and then of course more storage. Let's go ahead and pop the hood here. See what we got underneath. Now, I do say this all the time, I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like getting all this in here for clients simply because chances are they've looked at a few and they know what they're looking for. So I just like to get it all in here. Now, again, this is on YouTube, so if there's something that sparks your interest, you can speed it up and slow it down. All of our vehicles, they do get diagnosed and fixed if anything needs to be fixed. Alright, let's turn it over for you. Now, of course, this is just a push button. Start.
23 days, 1 hour, 59 minutes.
Let's turn that down.
49
Mileage. Media center. Let's get the air conditioner on. Alrighty. Let's go back to the engine here. Well, I do hope this helps with any decision you may have. If there is anything I might have missed, you need me to take photos of, another video walk around, whatever the case may be, I'm happy to do it. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration. Hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day. Bye.